remember the 7 units. There are 7 units to measurement. They are kilometer, hectare, deca, meter, deci, centi and milli. You can remember these 7 units by this King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So King for kilo, Henry hectare, died deca by, this is the base unit. The base can be meter, liter or gram. And drinking deci, chocolate, centi, milk, milli. So to remember these 7 units, you can remember by this King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Now here the biggest of all the 7 units, the biggest is this kilo. And then it decreases and the smallest is the milli. And they differ by 10. Each units differ by 10. That is 1 kilometer is 10 hectometer. Then hectare differs by deca 10. 1 meter is 10 decimeter. So difference between each units is 10. And now let's see the conversion. Before starting the conversion, if you need to convert from big to small, that is if you are moving like this way towards right, if the conversion is towards right, then you need to do multiplication. Conversion is towards right, R for right, you need to do multiplication. You can remember by this Mr. If you are moving towards right, do multiplication. If you are moving towards left, then do division. If you are moving towards left, do division. Right, multiplication. This is for left division, right multiplication. You can remember as Mr. DL. So now the conversion, kilometer to meter. Kilometer is here. Kilometer to meter. So if you need to convert this, you are moving towards right. From kilometer you have to move to meter. So moving towards right. Right is for multiplication. And how many times? It's 10, 10, 10. So 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. 3 0 is nothing but 1000. 1 with 3 0 is 1000. So this 4 multiplied by 1000. Why I am multiplying by 1000 means, see, kilometer to meter we have to convert. Kilometer is here and meter is here. From here to here if you are moving towards right. Right is multiplication. And how many 0 here? 1, 2, 3. 1 with 3 0 is nothing but 1000. So multiply with 1000 to convert kilometer to meter. 4 into 1000, 4000. So 4 kilometer is 4000 meter. Next, meter to centimeter. To change from meter to centimeter, take this 14. Yeah, meter is here. Centimeter is here. And to moving towards right side. From meter to move to centimeter, it's right side. So multiplication. How many zeros here? 1, 2. 2 zeros. 1 with 2 0 is nothing but 100. So we have to multiply with 100. So it's 1400 centimeter. Next here, centimeter to millimeter. So takes this 75. 75 centimeters, how many millimeter? To change from centimeter to millimeter, just moving towards right side. So multiplication. And how many times you have to move? Only 1 time. So only 1 0. That is 10. 1 with 1 0, 10. 75 into 10, it's 750 millimeter. 75 centimeter is 750 millimeter. Next, liter to milliliter. So here is the liter. Where is liter? Liter is here. We have to move to milliliter. Milliliter is here. Milliliter. So have to move towards right side. That is multiplication. And how many times you have to move? It's 1, 2, 3. So 1 with 3 0, that is 1000. Multiply this 5 with 1000 to change to milliliter. So it's 5000 milliliter. Next, 25 kilogram to gram. So here take 25 and kilogram to gram. Kilogram is here. Kilogram to gram. Gram is here. So moving towards right side, multiplication. And how many times you have to move? 1, 2, 3. So 1 with 3 zeros, that is 1000. 25 into 1000, it's 25,000 gram. 25 kilogram is 25,000 gram. Meter to kilometer. Meter, M for meter, kilometer is here. So here, to move from meter to kilometer, it's 1, 2, 3. That is, divide by 1000 as you are moving towards left. Meter is here and kilometer is here. Moving towards left. From here, you have to move here. So, moving towards left is division. Do division, and how many times you have to divide means, see here, 1, 2, 3. That is 1000. 1 with 3 0 is 1000. Divided by 1000. Take this 1008 and divide by 1000. If you need to divide a number by 1000, just move 3 times towards left. Here, from here, move 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and put a point. This is a step to divide. So the answer is, if you divide 1008 by 1000, it's 1.008 kilometer. Next, 444 centimeter is how many meter? Yeah, cm is centimeter. From centimeter, you have to move to meter. M for meter. So from centimeter, moving towards left. From here, moving towards left to reach the meter. So left is division. Do division, and how many times you have to divide this? 444 divided by what? From centimeter to meter means here 1, 2. So it's 100. Divide by 100. 1 with 2 zeros. So it's 100. 444, if you divide by 100, you have to move 2 times towards left. From here, move 2, as it is 2 0, move 2 times. 1, 2. So here is the point. It's 4.44 meter. Centimeter, 444 centimeters, 4.44 meter. Next, 997 millimeter is how many centimeter? Millimeter, mm is millimeter. From millimeter, move to centimeter, which is here. Cm is centimeter. So from here, you are moving here. So it's left, moving towards left. Left is division. Take this 997 and divide it with, here moving towards left, how many times? Only 1 times, millimeter to centimeter. So only divide by 10. So 997, if you divide by 10, in 10 only 1 0. So move only 1 times. From the end, move 1 time and insert the point. So it is 99.7 centimeter. Next, 850 gram to kilogram. To convert from gram to kilogram, gram is here. Next to kilogram, kilogram is here. So moving towards left, is division. Take this 850 and divide it by, so from gram to kilogram, it's 1, 2, 3. 1 with 3 0, it's 1000. Divide by 1000. To convert gram to kilogram, divided by 1000, as it's 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So now take 850 and to divide it by 1000, you have to move 3 times towards left. So 1, 2, 3. It's 0.85. 850 gram is 0.85 kilogram. So in conversion of units, just remember this 7 units by this King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And if your conversion, if your conversion is moving towards right, do multiplication. If it is towards left, do division.